Hi everybody, this is Persian with Mahtab, and I want to teach you another very beautiful Persian sounds, re. Re has two other brothers, z and j. Look those videos also. Okay, now re. Re. Re is exactly the same sound with R in English, but we pronounce re with more pressure. Re. Re is only child, no brother or sister. It comes at the beginning, in the middle, and at the end of the word. Look here in the word rude. Rude, you see, re at the beginning. Mard. Mard in Persian is a man. Man. Masculine. Mard. You see, re in the middle position. And very beautiful words, pedar and madar, father and mother in Persian, with re. Pedar and madar, re at the end of the word without connecting to the previous sound. Let's write it to see how do we write re. Re, we start on the line and go to left. Re, very easy, you see? Re. Re can connect to the previous sound and take the hand of the previous sound, but not the next. Not the next. You see, in the mard, re has taken the hand of me. Let's write mard to see how do we connect re to the previous sound. We go to left, return back, and very beautiful circle and go to left and write re. Mea mard. Up to now we have learned all our vowel sounds. A اول، A غیر اول، A اول، A وسط، O, U, E and E. Today we learn re. Re is a consonant, so we write it here and make friendship between these sound together and make new words. Some very important words I teach you in this lesson. If we make friendship between re and a, then we have ra. Then we have ra. Ra مثل like راست. Rast. Rast is true and also right side. Rast. Re'a. Re'a is ra. Ra. Ra مثل rap. If you like rap music, now you can write rap. Re and O will be ro. Re and U will be ru. Ru like ru مثل رود. Rude. Let me write it here. Rude. Re and E. We have two forms, re and re. Re and re. Don't make a mistake. And re and e. By the way, re مثل like rish. Re-ish. Look the way I connect sound together. We write whole form, then return back and put the dots for E and put the dots for sh sound. Rish. Rish is bird. Bird. Rish. Re and is re and re. Re and re. Re like Reza. Reza is a masculine name. Reza, and very famous in Iran. Reza and re. Re like edare. I write it here. Edare. Edare is office, organization, and especially governmental organization is edare. Now let's go to your homework. Write very beautiful and read aloud one line re. Re. And one line write mard. Look the way I connect the sound together. Right, start here, go to left, return back and write mard. Mard. Mard is man, as I told you, and two very beautiful words in Persian, pedar and madar. Like this, write the sound and return back and put the dots for pe. Then write r, pedar, and madar, like mother in Persian. Write me sound, go up, ma, write de, a, and r, madar, madar. This was re sound, and let's go to his brother, other brother, j sound.